I got the memo. You said, Dina, I want to feel a heat that's going to have me move my feet. And I said, listen, Dorothies, listen, darlings. I'm definitely going to have you move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. New items, makeup, socks to the sock lovers, home decor, back to school items. Honey, we only moving and grooving. You see these? $1.50. Where you gonna get this from? And it goes right with the dress, okay? Really, really good in the neighborhood. Fancy pantsy. You see, you know, I put these on. You got the people coming over here looking at the glasses. You get what I'm saying? This is true marketing genius. I cannot make this up. Have you guys seen these? These are the Brillo gloves. They don't only come in red, and they are long. You see? Honey, they out here showing out. You know what, Dollar Tree, you ain't doing nothing but just showing out at this point. Let me show the good folks these items. Now, of course, they have the red, my love. They also have the yellow and gray. Now, the yellow and gray is saying, hey. Now, you get one pair of these. These are reusable gloves. One size fits all. These are $1.25. Could you believe this? $1.25. Now, textured grip, multi-purpose, reusable in a latex. Ciao. This is given. There's so many things I want to get out of here. But I didn't bring no bag, and that's a good thing. Did you see this? Did you see this? So this is Wizard Fabric Refreshener to go. Honey, say yes, Joe. $1.25. Now, you can take some fabric softener with some water. And I know some of you guys been saying, like, what are the measurements, right? I don't really know the measurements for the fabric softener and the water, but I will get that to you soon as possible. I will make it my business today. You can use fabric softener and water and spray it on your clothes, and it'll release the wrinkles. Listen, I tell you guys this all the time, right? I'm gonna bring the heat. That's gonna have you move your feet. Look at this, honey. You go away for a few days, they sneak up all these new products. Look at this. So this is the SpaScription collagen. Honey, gonna have your lips looking younger. Now, I don't personally know if, well, that's what collagen's supposed to do. Now, hydro, I'm so excited, can't even get the words out. Hydrogel lip mask for lip treatment for $1.25. Honey, where you gonna get this at? Where you gonna get this at? If you are looking for a glow spray, say hey. Dollar Tree has this Ionic Glow Spray. This is $1.25. They moving and grooving. Honey, they also have the Dragon Fruit Soft Lip Liquid. Now, this is blendable, natural flush, hyaluronic acid it has in here. Honey, they moving. This is for the lips and cheeks. So my loves, if you come to Dollar Tree and you're like, you know what, you spend all your money or you have a list and you go over that list, this is a commercial interruption. I want you to get this, okay? The richest man in Babylon, FYI. You know, it'll help somebody out there, okay? So if you guys are Elvis fans, you know, somebody here, I guess, in corporate must be an Elvis fan. They definitely have all Elvis socks out here. These are $1.25, and I definitely like these colors. These are all right with me. They also have Elvis over here, honey, Elvis here. Elvis everywhere. The Dollar Tree has this hair growth oil that is really, really good, and it is softy. Now, normally when they bring this in the stores, it sells out really, really quick. I'm not sure how long they had this here, but they have, this look like a fresh box, okay? $1.25. Now, I use this with my hair growth concoction. I put like a few other things in there, Botana oil, a lot of goodies, okay? If you want that list, comment I want it, okay? And I'll put it down in the description. Honey, When I came down this aisle, I said, what in the world has Dollar Tree done? Look at this. Landmarks. This is $4.75. But you know, I like me a still deal like Holyfield, and I know you do too. Honey, s'mores bark. And there's way more where that came from. Now this one, it has in here, let's take a look on the back, shall we? All right, it has cacao mess. Honey, I'm looking for the nuts. Okay, not that type of way, okay? And it has some nuts on here. It doesn't really say. Hold on. Honey, I can't tell if those are nuts in there. I think those are just pieces or marshmallows. They also have the dark chocolate almond bark. Now, I want to say this is natural cacao powder because you see how dark it is. And this is $4.75 as well. And then they also have the milk chocolate pretzel bark. If you guys have tried these from Landmarks Confections, let us know in the comment section exactly how were they and which one did you try. Now, another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is the eco-friendly toilet bowl cleaning strips. Easy to use, septic safe, lavender and vanilla. And if you know, you know, I absolutely love me some lavender, and with a hint of vanilla, honey, is gonna do what it do. 24 strips you get for $1.25. If you out in public and you have to use the bathroom and you feel self-conscious about, you know, using the public restrooms, honey, you get one of these from Dollar Tree. Put a lid on it. Ooh, okay. So they moving and grooving. Now, this one is tropical hibiscus. They also have the twisted citrus. These are the 2 cents that they have, $1.25. Do understand that Dollar Tree is now carrying paper towels, but I know they was carrying them before. But honey, you get 8 rolls daisy, 50 sheets per roll. This is $5. $5. And to me, this is like on the kind of thin side. I like, you know, thick paper towels like these brownie. Is it brownie? Brownie? Honey, I think that's how you pronounce it. But these are $5, okay? You get 2 double rolls, which equals 4 for $5. Now, they also have the Daisy, the 12 double rolls bathroom tissues. These are $5. Now, for me, I absolutely love the tissue that's like kind of hard because to me, this don't really last that long. Let me know in the comment section if you like, you know, more on the softer side when it comes to the tissue, or if you just like, long as I have tissue, Dina, I really don't care. $5. Looking for back to school items, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They have Pony, My Little Pony, these backpacks. These are $5. Paw Patrol, $5. They also have the see-through backpacks. These are $5 as well. They come in 4 different colors. They have the blue, the black, the pink, also the red. They also have these backpacks. Ooh, fancy. I mean, they all on a plain Jane side. But honey, okay? You want a backpack or not? These are $5. Reminds me of Oprah when she said, you get a car, you get a car, you get a car. Listen, they also have these insulated lunch bags. These are $5. They come in different colors as well. They have gray, pink, and blue. Sight words, activity books reminds me of my children. He was like in pre-K. Sight words. Now, this is for ages 4 to 6. They also have alphabet activity books, numbers and counting, multiplication cards, flashcards, poster markers. These are $1.25. These bubble pop keychains, absolutely love these. These are $1.25. This one is definitely my favorite. Love it. And they also have, this one is the dolphin and the dino. If you're looking for floral decor, Dollar Tree definitely has it. These are $1.25. More back to school items. This is the desk notepad, 1 day at a time. Honey, that's right. Magnetic locker mirror dry erase. This is $1.25. They also have magnets. This you get 6 for $1.25. Now, if your Dollar Tree don't have the voice control tabletop lights yet, honey, don't worry. They most likely is going to get it soon. But at this Dollar Tree, they have it. turn on the light, brighten the light, change the color, dim the light, turn off the light. Okay, now side clicks, pens, mechanical pencils, $1.25. Side click pencils. Now, if you are looking for some glassware, some bowls, some saucers, some plates, these are nice. Absolutely love these. Now, do understand that Dollar Tree prices done went up. These are $1.50. They also have these saucers right here. Now, it's really the cups for me. You see these glasses with their streak of blue? Absolutely love it. $1.50. They also have these bowls over here. Ooh, so nice. If you guys are looking for more decorative plates, they have them, and these are $1.50 as well. You can do so many things with this. Create a DIY, honey. So many fancy things. Now, Dollar Tree also have these mugs right here that goes along with the saucers and the plates. Absolutely love it. But if you want a more subtle design, this is $1.50. Now, which one I like best? Definitely this one with the plates and the bowls and the mugs. And look at this. Joy is found in the simple things. Honey, if they lying, they flying. All right. These are, I believe these are $1.25. All right, fancy folks. Let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite item? Mine's definitely was the makeup. Okay, the glow mist. That was $1.25. Those bowls, every time I see them, those blue ones, honey, they look so good to me. That being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep going and keep growing. Until next time. Peace.